of our annual function, the Ramadevi Achievement Awards. In loving remembrance of our esteemed trustee, Sri Ramadevi, we proudly present Ramadevi Achievement Awards, Student of the Year and Progressive Student of the Year every year since 2019. This award has been a tribute to her unwavering love for children and her dedication to their growth and success. The Student of the Year Award recognizes outstanding academic excellence, leadership and overall contribution to the school community. The Progressive Student of the Year Award honors a student who has shown remarkable growth, determination and improvement in various aspects of learning. Through these awards, we celebrate the spirit of perseverance, the achievement that Sri Ramadevi deeply cherished, inspiring young minds to dream big and strive for excellence. So, for giving away this award, I would like to invite our trustee, Mr. R.N. Sharma, on stage. Section A, girl goes to Ms. Krishna Vibhavala. I request Mr. Abhishek Singh Wala and Reena Bawala to come on the stage with the child. A big round of applause for Ms. Krishna Vibha. From section A, Bright Play, boy goes to Master Devik Shah. I request Mr. Hardik Shah and Ms. Supriya Shah to please come on the stage. Ramadevi Achievement Award Student of the Year goes to Master Devik Shah of Bright Play section A. Bright Play section A, girl goes to Miss Sanvi Gondalia. I request Mr. Jatin Gondalia and Mrs. Shweta Gondalia to please come on the stage. Ramadevi Achievement Award Progressive Student of the Year from Bright Play section A, boy goes to Vivansh Purohit. I request Mr. Darshan Purohit and Miss Purva Purohit to please come on the stage. Ramadevi Achievement Award Progressive Student of the Year goes to Vivansh Purohit from Bright Play section A. Ramadevi Achievement Award Progressive Student of the Year from Bright Nursery Section A, girl goes to Miss Prisha Rana. I request Mr. Sachin Rana and Mrs. Suchita Rana to please come on the stage. Ramadevi Achievement Award Progressive Student of the Year from Nursery Section A, girl goes to Miss Prisha Rana. Ramadevi Achievement Award Progressive Student of the Year from Bright Nursery Section A, boy goes to Master Nivan Patel. I request Mr. Hiren Patel and Mrs. Richa Patel to please come on the stage. Ramadevi Achievement Award Progressive Student of the Year award goes to Nivan Patel of Nursery Section A. Now moving on to Nursery B section. Ramadevi Achievement Award Student of the Year from Bright Nursery Section D, girl goes to Miss Gauripriya Jinesh Kumar. I request Mr. Jinesh Kumar and Mrs. Parvati to please come on the stage. Ramadevi Achievement Award Student of the Year from Bright Nursery Section B Boy goes to Master Virat Raval. I request Mr. Yash Raval and Mrs. Rutu Raval to please come on the stage. Ramadevi Achievement Award Student of the Year award goes to Master Virat Raval of Nursery B Section. Ramadevi Achievement Award Progressive Student of from Bright Nursery Section B Boy goes to Master Shivansh Joshi. I request Dr. Sagar Joshi and Dr. Shruti Joshi to please come on the stage. Ramadevi Achievement Award Progressive Student of the Year from Nursery Section B goes to Master Shivansh Joshi. Now moving on to Bright Junior Section A. Ramadevi Achievement Award.
Focus.
Ramadevi Achievement Award Progressive Student of the Year from Bright Junior Section B Girl goes to Mahi Singh.
मैम आप भी
Ramadevi Achievement Award Student of the Year Mr. Sushanta Ghosh and Mrs. Tapti Tiwari to please come on the stage. Ramadevi Achievement Award Progressive Student of the Year from Bright Junior Section B Girl goes to Miss Nitika Ghosh. Ramadevi Achievement Award Progressive Student of the Year Junior Section B goes to Master Harnish Prajapati. I request Ramadevi Achievement Award Student of the Year from Bright Senior Section A Girl goes to Amaira Gupta. I request Mr. Umesh Gupta and Mrs. Deepika Gupta to please come on the stage. Ramadevi Achievement Award Student of the Year from Bright Senior Section A Boy goes to Master Krish Chauhan. I request Mr. Vikas Chauhan and Miss Akshita Chauhan to please come on the stage. Ramadevi Achievement Award Student of the Year goes to Master Krish Chauhan. He is sharing the stage with our ex-student of the year from 2020 batch. Ramadevi Achievement Award Progressive Student of the Year from Bright Senior Section A Girl goes to Miss Hetri Parekh. I request Mr. Chintan Parekh and Miss Dhruvita Parekh to please come on the stage.
Very small announcement. Hate me, please sir. Warren sir, please change the slides. So please look at the slide. Yes, inside the slide. So they both have been selected for the final round with Karishma Kapoor, and they are going tonight. और कल जयपुर में उनका इवेंट है, पिंकी मैम.
So we are thrilled to share that Miss Hetvi and Master Hedvig from Rama Kids Preschool has been selected for the final round of audition and the grand finale of fashion show with Bollywood icon Karishma Kapoor in Jaipur on 23rd. So this is the moment of immense pride for us that they showcase their confidence, talent and charm on this prestigious platform. All the best, kids. So moving on to the prize distribution ceremony. Ramadevi Achievement Awards Progressive Student of the Year from Bright Senior Section A Boy goes to Master Devansh Kharod. I request Mr. Harshal Kharod and Mrs. Bhavna Kharod to please come on the stage. Moving on to Section B, Bright Senior. Ramadevi Achievement Award Student of the Year from Bright Senior Section B Girl goes to Ms. Shanaya Sarvaiya. I request Mr. Chintan Sarvaiya and Mrs. Falguni Sarvaiya to please come on the stage. Parents to please drop their kids near the stage for the national anthem. Achievement Award Progressive Student of the Year from Bright Junior Section B Boy goes to Master Vedit Pandit. I request Mr. Suryakant Kumar and Ms. Sarita Kumari to please come on the stage. Ramadevi Achievement Award Progressive Student of the Year award goes to Master Vedit Pandit. Awards for our teaching and non-teaching staff. First we have Beena Modi, Teaching Excellence Award as Playgroup Main Teacher. Next we have Neetu Tadvi, Teaching Excellence Award as Nursery Main Teacher. Next we have Megha Varude, Teaching Excellence Award as Playgroup Section B Main Teacher. Next we have Anjali Suthar, Teaching Excellence Award as Junior KG Main Teacher. Next we have Jitu Mali sir as choreography maestro of our annual function. there's a mistake. Next we have Aparna Gaikwad as Teaching Excellence Award as Assistant Teacher. Aparna Gaikwad as Teaching Excellence Award as Assistant Teacher. Next we have Jitu Mali sir as Choreography Master of our annual function.
Hello everyone. So next, still the backbone of Rama Kids are still left to give the award. So the Best Academic Excellence Award goes to Pinky Ma'am. She is with us since last 11 years. She is taking care of all the academics, preparing the examination paper, seeing the syllabus and everything. All the academic part has been taken care of her. Pinky Ma'am, please go. And next, any guess? Deepika Salekar. She is taking care of all the back office work, accounts, admin, and आप जितने भी slide देख रहे हैं, all is made by her only. So पहले हम लोग third party पे dependent थे, but now everything is in house. So Deepika, she is very good in designing also. सारे designs उन्होंने ही बनाए हैं. A big hand of applause.